Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two crypto research and portfolio apps. First one is CoinStats and the second one is Coinbase. So a lot of coins in there. We will go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about these two products, and also we will try to find out which one is better from the other. So let's start with CoinStats. CoinStats is a cryptocurrency research and the portfolio tracker app. You can search through the list of more than 6,000 cryptocurrencies, visit their social pages and websites to make research-based investment decisions. CoinStats features also includes the ability to set price alerts to currencies, read the related news and cryptocurrency converted. On top of that, you can add your cryptocurrency trades into CoinStats for tracking your net worth and profit loss, including by connecting your wallet and exchange accounts for autosync. So when we jump into CoinStats, straight away you'll find out that you can also connect Coinbase as well, which is not new thing. Also Binance, MetaMask, sorry. Then we'll try and find the currency there that we are interested in, or currencies. Let's go with Solana. And here you can see the life cycle. So other from the integration CoinStats with Coinbase, you can see the life cycle of every currency. Also, if you're logged in, you can go to news, check the market where you can buy Solana. Yeah, when you can buy Solana, as you can see, it's a pretty common crypto, so you can buy it almost everywhere. So that's a good thing. That if you want, you can buy it from every country. Then your holdings, team updates, and on-chain data. Straight away, if we connect Coinbase, we can also become a pro. Pro means that you will pay $3.49 or $4.99, depends if you want to be billed monthly or annually. In Pro, you get 10 exchange connections, 10 wallet connections, up to 1,000 transactions, coin insights, and unlimited access to CoinStats. Then, in Premium, it's $13.99 or $19.99. Unlimited exchange connections, unlimited wallet collections, up to 100,000 transactions, personal account manager, and unlimited access to CoinStats on iOS and Android and many other platforms. Also, if you're part of a community, if there's a lot of you trying to trade in CoinStats, you can ask them to tailor you the option. Other than that, we can check the website of Solana, then the community, also explorers, and the contracts itself. Then you can just learn more about it. So let's talk about the Coinbase for a while. Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing digital currency. Our mission is to create an open financial system for the world and to be the leading global brand for helping people convert digital currency into and out of their local currency. They make buying and selling digital currency really easy. Straight from the top, we can check the Solana as well. You can see all the cycles here. You can first, we have to sign in, but I don't really want to list my wallet in there in sake of this video, but you can see where they are now. Then on the right side, you can check the trending assets, also market stats, market caps, volume, and so on. You can learn more about Solana. They will try to explain you how it works, and also keep in mind section. well on Coinbase, sending or receiving digital currency between online wallets, friends or merchant should be free. Also, they handle all the security and backups, so you don't have to be worried. And also they claim to be one-stop shop. Under one roof, they offer wallet and exchange and the merchant tools within one simple interface. And Coinbase is a platform on which many applications are being built using their API, CoinStats being one of them. I really like Coinbase. They seem to be kind of ahead of CoinStats. I really like it. You can learn more about them. Also, individual buy and sell, earn private clients, borrow card and wallets. Yeah, that checks out. And also for opportunities for the shops or for the businesses. So guys, I will leave you the links underneath this video. If you have any questions, please leave them underneath. We'll try to answer them. And thanks for watching, and see you on the other one. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.